Hey nature lovers! Today we're diving into the wild world of frogs, those tiny amphibians that pack some seriously big surprises. From their astonishing survival tricks to their mind-blowing transformations, here are 30 amazing facts about frogs you probably didn't know. Let's hop right in. Fact 1. Frogs are amphibians in the order Anura, which means without tail. Fact 2. There are more than 7,000 species of frogs around the world as of 2024. Fact 3. A group of frogs is called an army. Quite fitting, right? Fact 4. Some frogs can jump over 20 times their body length in a single leap. Fact 5. The world's smallest frog, the Pediphrine amauensis, can sit on a dime. It measures around 7 to 8 millimeters long. Fact 6. The world's largest frog is the Goliath frog of West Africa. It can grow to 15 inches and weigh up to 7 pounds. Fact 7. Frogs are ectotherms, meaning their body temperature changes with the environment. Fact 8. They shed their skin regularly, and then they eat it. Fact 9. A frog's eyes can see in nearly all directions at once, even behind them. They have a third eyelid, the nictitating membrane, to protect and moisten the eye. Most frogs hear with a round eardrum called the tympanum just behind the eye. Fact 10. Some frogs swallow their food by pulling its eyes down into the roof of its mouth to help push the food down its throat. Fact 11. The wood frog can live north of the Arctic Circle, surviving for weeks with 65% of its body frozen. This frog uses glucose in its blood as a kind of antifreeze that concentrates in its vital organs, protecting them from damage while the rest of the body freezes solid. Fact 12. The Costa Rican flying tree frog soars from branch to branch with the help of its feet. Webbing between the frog's fingers and toes extends out, helping the frog glide. Fact 13. The hairy frog breaks its own bones to create claws for defense. Fact 14. Frogs communicate with over 5,000 different calls. Each species has its own tune. They can also communicate with visual signs, like leg waving in noisy streams. Fact 15. The golden poison dart frog is one of the most toxic animals on Earth. Fact 16. Almost all frogs fertilize the eggs outside of the female's body. The male holds the female around the waist in a mating hug called amplexus. He fertilizes the egg as the females lays them. Amplexus can last hours or days. Fact 17. Some frog species care for their young by carrying tadpoles on their backs. Tadpoles usually breathe with gills, while adults mainly use lungs and skin, a process called cutaneous respiration. Tadpoles often eat algae and detritus, scraping surfaces with tiny mouthparts. Some tadpoles are carnivorous and may eat insects and other tadpoles. Fact 18. The Darwin's frog swallows its eggs, and the babies grow in its mouth. Fact 19. When threatened, some frogs puff up to appear bigger, and others play dead lying perfectly still till danger passes. Fact 20. While the lifespan of frogs in the wild are unknown, frogs in captivity have been known to live more than 20 years. Fact 21. Frogs are found on every continent except Antarctica. Fact 22. They're ancient. Frogs have hopped around for over 200 million years. Fact 23. Their skin often contains antimicrobial peptides that help fight infections. Fact 24. Frogs appear in myths as symbols of rain, luck, or change. Fact 25. In Japan, the word for frog, kairu, also means to return home. Fact 26. The loudest frog, the coqui from Puerto Rico, can be heard half a mile away. Fact 27. Glass frogs have transparent skin that even their internal organs are visible. One can even observe their heart beating and intestine digesting. Fact 28. Many frogs can change color using cells called chromatophores to match surroundings or when stressed. Fact 29. The word frog in English traces back to Old English froga. Fact 30. One of the main differences between frogs and toads is that frogs needs to stay by water to survive, whereas toads can survive without constant access to moisture. Frogs are tiny, tough, and truly incredible creatures that show us just how diverse life on Earth can be. If you loved these amphibian facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. We've got plenty more wildlife wonders coming your way. Thanks for watching and keep exploring the wild.